Okay, so YouTube keep pushing their videos, I mean other people's videos, but they keep ignoring yours. There's one hidden truth that no one is telling you about. So you keep pouring hours into video editing and then stuff, but you start to wonder why YouTube is not recommending you. Or you start to ask yourself what you are doing wrong. Is it your title? Is it your thumbnail? Or is it your tags? But here's the thing, it's not any of this, or it's not that you are doing bad content or your content is bad. The truth is, you are not feeding the algorithm what it actually wants. So even though sometimes it's about your tags, your thumbnail, and then your title, but the truth is that it's how the algorithm actually works. Some people say make good content and then YouTube will take care of the rest. When people say do good content and then YouTube will take care of the rest, that advice is killing we the new channels. The truth is that YouTube doesn't recommend videos based on how good they are. They recommend the videos based on how people behave after seeing them. I mean your audience. The truth is that do they watch more than 30 seconds? In this video, I'm going to show you how YouTube recommend the video to your viewers. So if your video stops people from scrolling and then your video keeps people watching, the algorithm will say let's keep pushing this video to 10 more people and see something. That's how the algorithm actually works. It doesn't care about your niche, it doesn't care about how long you've been grinding. The algorithm has one job for you: just keep people watching, and then it keeps pushing to more viewers. One truth about YouTube algorithm is that the algorithm is watching the viewer and not you. So your job is to create videos for your viewers to behave the way YouTube wants. So you do this by mastering your title, your thumbnails, and then your tags as well. One of the things that you need to do for people to keep watching your video so that YouTube will recommend you is your hook. First of all, you need to hook the viewer within first 10 to 30 seconds. Make sure you create some curiosity in your content so that your viewer watches more. Your viewer want to know exactly what you want to say in your video. You need to check your title to make YouTube recommend your videos. Stop using boring and then generic title. You need to use title that when people search on YouTube, they will see your videos. Stop using title like how I edit my videos. Instead of this, you can use titles like this editing tricks make my videos 10 times better. So when you say this in your title, it creates some curiosity and your viewers want to know that one editing trick that make your videos 10 times better. Even if your video is 10 minutes long, your viewer will still keep watching your video to know that one trick that makes your video better. For YouTube to recommend your videos, one trick you need to master is your thumbnail. Your thumbnail is the first thing your audience see before they click your video. So to make your thumbnail better, you need to use bold fonts. You need to use some arrows. Let's say you are talking about Canva. You can use the logo of Canva or even CapCut if you are talking about these apps. To make your thumbnail better, you should try using these things. Okay, so when you start to apply these tricks, your impressions will triple, your click-through rate will jump from 2% to 8%, and most importantly, YouTube will not recommend you on just search. It will recommend you on suggested and then your home feed as well. I've seen creators applying these tricks, their thumbnail, their titles are good. So you feel curious to click on their video. After seeing and realizing all this, that's when I noticed it's not luck, it's strategy. So for YouTube to recommend your videos, you need to apply all these strategies, starting from your title, your hook, your thumbnail, and then your tags as well. Okay, so if you've made it this far, you are not just a creator, you are someone who wants YouTube to recommend your content. This is what I want you to do for me. I just want you to rewatch this video and then go fix your thumbnail, your title, and then your tags. Let me know in the comment section which one of them you are going to try or what you are struggling with. My name is Derrick, and then thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please smash that subscribe button and like the video. See you in the next one.